Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to complete your Form 1040 step by step. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront will make the process much smoother and help you avoid errors. Next, let's focus on reporting your income. You'll enter your wages, salaries, and tips on line 1. Other income, like interest and dividends, goes on subsequent lines, typically through line 8. After totaling your income, you'll consider adjustments. These are found on Schedule 1 and can include things like educator expenses or contributions to an IRA, which reduce your adjusted gross income. Now, it's time to reduce your tax burden with deductions and credits. You'll decide whether to take the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount, or itemize if your eligible expenses exceed that. For example, the standard deduction for a single filer is often around $13,000. After deductions, explore tax credits like the child tax credit or education credits, which directly lower the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Finally, we'll calculate your actual tax and determine your refund or amount due. Use the tax tables or worksheets provided in the instructions to find your total tax liability. Then, subtract any federal income tax that was already withheld from your paychecks throughout the year. If your payments exceed your tax, you'll receive a refund. Otherwise, you'll owe the remaining balance to the IRS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.